Keinginan Volodymyr Zelenskiy, Presiden Ukraina, merebut Pulau Ular pada 9 Mei gagal total. Juru bicara militer Rusia Major Igor Konashenkov menyebut tentara Ukraina menyerbu Pulau Ular atas perintah pribadi Zelenskiy dan asisten penasihat dari Amerika Serikat dan Inggris.
Слава нашим доблестным вооруженным силам! За Россию! За победу! Ура!
Pulau Ular diserbu sebelum dan bertepatan 9 Mei saat Rusia memperingati hari kemenangan di Moskow. Namun upaya ini gagal total. Serangan ke Pulau Ular mengakibatkan kehilangan besar musuh, lebih dari 5 lusin tentara Ukraina dan anggota unit elit khusus. Hilangnya 4 pesawat, 10 helikopter, 3 perahu dan 30 pesawat tak berawak, kata Major Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
On May 7, on direct orders from Zelensky, the Ukrainian General Staff, with the direct involvement of advisors from the USA and Britain, planned a major provocation to seize Zmyiny Island. Over the past 2 days, the Kiev regime has made several desperate attempts to land air and sea assaults on Zmyiny Island, which is important for controlling the northwestern part of the Black Sea. The Ukrainian provocation was thwarted as a result of the competent actions of Russian Armed Forces unit on the island. The enemy suffered heavy losses. 4 Ukrainian airplanes, including 3 Su-24 and 1 Su-27, 3 Mi-8 helicopters with paratroopers on board, and 1 Mi-24 helicopter have been shot down in the air while repelling the attacks near Zmyiny Island. Within 2 days, 29 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down in the air, including 8 Bayraktar TB2 strike unmanned aerial vehicles. Meanwhile, 4 Bayraktar drones have been shot down this afternoon. Also, 3 armored Ukrainian amphibious assault boats carrying Ukrainian naval personnel were destroyed during an attempted landing on the night of May 8. As a result of Zelenskyy's thoughtless provocation, more than 50 Ukrainian saboteurs have been killed at sea and on the coast during the landing and attempts to consolidate on the island. 24 bodies of dead Ukrainian servicemen were left on the shore of Zmyiny Island.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.